Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Jump Paint. First, open the application by clicking its icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder. Once it loads, you will see a blank canvas in the center, flanked by toolbars on the left and right. The left toolbar contains essential drawing tools like pens and brushes, while the right side manages colors and layers. Familiarize yourself with these primary areas, as they are where you will craft all your digital art. To start drawing, simply select the pen or pencil tool from the left-hand toolbar. You can adjust its thickness and opacity using the settings above the canvas. For coloring, choose a brush tool to apply broader strokes, or use the fill bucket to quickly color larger, enclosed sections. Remember to select your desired color from the color wheel or palette located on the right. The eraser tool is also vital for correcting any errors, allowing you to refine your artwork with ease. Layers are one of Jump Paint's most powerful features, allowing you to build your artwork in transparent sections. To create a new layer, simply click the plus symbol in the Layers panel on the right. You can easily drag and drop layers to change their order, deciding which elements are on top. Adjusting a layer's opacity, perhaps to 50%, lets you see through it, which is perfect for tracing or adding subtle effects. Using layers effectively keeps your artwork organized and flexible. Once you have completed your masterpiece, it is time to save it. Go to the File menu and select Save As to store your work in Jump Paint's native format, preserving all your precious layers. When you are ready to share, choose Export from the File menu. You can then select a common image format like PNG or JPEG, which are widely compatible. These exported images can then be easily uploaded to social media or printed, letting others enjoy your incredible artistic creations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.